First thing I want to talk about is I took my back tire off and turned it around because I thought it was directional. Because there's not an arrow on it, so. But yeah, that's what was messed up. It was backwards. My tire, I had the back tire on backwards. So during the rain today, I put the tire on the right way. Yeah, while it was raining. And now we'll see, she's rolling good now. So, yeah, that was the first thing. Now I want to talk about my non-renewal lease. I think I found a new place, but I can't sign the lease until after the 1st. So that's happening. And on my non-renewal, I have to be out on the 30th. So I called them to ask if they could extend my lease, and they said they were busy, so they told me to call back, today. So I called back today. And then when I called back, they told me now I gotta wait for them to call me, and they wouldn't even set a time. So I think I'm getting the runaround, because basically if they extend my lease, then that's basically admitting, 1 month for, a rental agreement, basically. So they're probably just gonna let it go to eviction, and I was trying to avoid going to court and everything, I don't know, it's just a big catch-22. But yeah, the rear tire was grabbing when I was riding. It was slowing me down, so I was wondering why it was grabbing, and I found out why. It was on backwards, but there's no arrows on it, No direction arrows on the tires. So I was kind of confused, I don't know if it's going to keep raining or not, but yeah, I'm just, trying to figure out this, I got like 7 days, so it's Thursday today, and I got till next Thursday, and I'm not, I have no place to keep my stuff, so basically I'm gonna have to wait till after the 1st, D9 moving out, and then hopefully move out before I have to go to court and just, drop everything. Or, because I don't know if I want to fight it or not. I don't know. Fighting, it's just something I don't do, because it's like there's nobody winning out of this. Nobody winning. I'm not winning because they basically won't even tell me why they're fucking kicking me out. They won't give me a reason. My lease basically said everything included. The only thing that has changed on everything included is electric. I offered to pay electric. And before basically I could get any fucking answer, they gave me a non-renewal. So, I don't know, it's just fucking catch-22, you know. Plus, I'm not really sure how it works when I got basically a verbal agreement with the owner that I could basically live there, you know, as long as I wanted, and that he knew that my place had to be redid on the outside, and we basically agreed that I'd have to just disappear for a month, and I said I can do that. You know, I can go visit family for a month, I can fucking go, you know, somewhere for a month, you know, as long as I know my garage has my stuff in it and shit like that, you know. But basically they want to kick me out because they want to be able to do it on their own fucking time, you know, and not have anybody, you know. It's not the owner I'm dealing with, it's the property manager, and I don't even know if they've known me for 6 months. I met them back in like, you know, September, October. Yeah, I met them basically in September, October, and didn't sign a lease or anything. It was just, here's our information just in case you need stuff. Just like the last company, you know, JMK Properties, they just gave me their information, where their office was, I went and paid my rent, and nothing changed. This one, I run out to Walmart, and I electronically send them money, and I haven't basically talked to any of them, except for when this is fucking going on, you know. Right now I got basically 2 personal numbers and thank you. I got 2 personal numbers to call, one for the maintenance guy and one for the head guy. Well, neither one of them will accept my calls. So I don't know who's the bad person out of this. You know, this time I called the office down in Big Lake. You know, I called the office. And I told them to basically, you know, tell the property manager and everything that I want to extend everything. And she was actually not nice to me and just kind of was blowing me off. You know. She's basically like, oh, you should know, fucking when you get kicked out, you get kicked out, you know? I was like, fuck. Is that a fucking monthly thing for everybody? You know? Minnesota fucking law, basically after fucking 2 years, it becomes a month to month. To me, that's scary, because if you stay for over like 5 years, you accumulate so much stuff that what are you going to do when they give you just fucking 30 days? You know? Or technically 29, you know? From the time I had the notice, I've only had basically 29 days. Half the days have been fucking crap. Cold, rainy, icy, horrible. And they don't take that into consideration either. They don't. No, they don't. No, they don't take that into consideration. No, they don't take that into consideration. Well, I'm running out here to grab a bottle of pop and, you know, basically little things to munch on. Because the rain is gone and I wanted to test the bike anyway, so. It's only like 7-mile-an-hour wind, so it's not heavy wind, you know. Yeah, not heavy wind today, but it's windy. I think this is the first time I never stopped the camera. I have to come here all on one charge. I mean, on one filming. So. And then I'm going to go down Division and talk some more. So I'll be back out in a few. Now I'm going to talk about, you know, tires. Because I thought these tires were supposed to roll better than knobbies. So. And now they are. So. But before they were, the rear tire was catching. And I didn't understand why, you know. The front tire's working good, but the back tire wasn't, you know. So kind of a catch-22, you know. So I'm like, I thought if the front tires are working good, put the back tire the same way, it should work good. And right now she's coasting. But she didn't before. No, she didn't. No. I usually don't ever take this way on e-bike. This is almost a perfect weather. Yeah. Perfect weather to test the tires anyway. Yeah, test them. Got what I needed from Walmart for a couple days. And oh yeah, now she's topping out at 17 and look at this, just coasting. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nowhere I could turn it up, you know. My mistake. So thank you. People are being nice today. They are. Well, that's good. But yeah, on the lease, I'm just I've never been through an eviction, so I don't know much about it, so I might have to get more information. Yeah, information. Oh hell yeah. Now these tires are kind of like the tires on my motorcycle. They feel good, they're quick, and zip. Before I could only hold like 14, now I'm holding 16. Nice. The knobbies are holding me back. Yes, anyway. See if I can hit every green light. Oh God, you're getting up and go now. Maybe it is a cheater bike. She's pretty quick. No suspension, so I know exactly what's going on. I've got to watch for people turning. Oh yeah. The ecotric's back and you're in trouble. Hey, love, the ecotric's back. Fuck, I hit 20 easy now. That makes me happy. But never being in a eviction makes me nervous. Giddy up and go. Oh yeah. I'm gonna slow her down a little bit. Go take a look at Lake George in the daytime. But I'm, you know, basically a Libra, so I'm kind of weighing everything out. Yeah, I'm weighing everything out. Yeah. Weighing everything out. Weighing out the pros and cons and the do's and don'ts and what to do and what not to do. But yeah, pretty much my mind saying, hey, if the eviction notice gives me enough time to sign a lease and I can get out, then I can just basically eliminate everything. That's what all my fucking things are saying. But do I want it to be safe and secure? You know? I know by basically Minnesota law, I have 30 days on my stuff that's out in the garage. So no matter what, after I move out, they gotta hold it for 30 days. But I don't trust anybody fucking holding, anything. I'd rather, pay for one more month of rent and sign the lease. And then basically I have 30 days to basically 30 days to move all my shit. Yeah, move all my shit. You know? Where right now, I don't know, I basically got everything in the garage already, so there ain't nothing in the house except for, you know, basically my mattress, my microwave, my toaster, and a sound bar that I used with my phone to watch movies and stuff, and this e-bike. That's all that sits in the house right now. That's all. Not a lot. My fridge is basically empty. My freezer's empty. All the cupboards are empty. Everything's just, yeah, it's basically done. But I have to, you know, see what happens, I guess, you know. Trying to, you know, keep everybody updated, you know. Oh, that's some big bumps down here. Those are like 2-inch craters. 2 inches deep, so they're gonna hurt anyway. But I'm pretty much having a good day because fucking being optimistic gives me, you know, like lightens me up, going, you know, do they really want to pay for an eviction? You know, do they really want to, or would they rather have 1 month more rent and I move out on my own? You know, just, to me, it makes more sense. I had to get over here because this fucking road is nice. I don't know why, but it's nice. Right beside a church, but it's nice. Yeah, everything's rolling good. God, yeah, she's just rocking. That's what happens when Chad's being retarded. Chad's being dumb. Put the tires on wrong. Yeah. Yes, they're directional. Even though they're not marked directional, they're directional. Wow. That happens. Right now I'm running the back tire at 15, front at 13, and fuck, it's working pretty good. She's just rolling, running, nice. Yeah, she sounds good. Oh, bugs. Fucking bugs everywhere. Maybe I'll just wait and figure it out. Chad Regal, over and out. Still beautiful after the rain. Yes, it is. Yeah, it's beautiful after the rain. Well, I hope everybody had a good Thursday. I'm going to try to post this video as quick as possible, because I want to get back on posting the video on the day that I take the video. Alright, have a good one, everybody.